Did you ever think we'd see humanoid robots not just assembling cars, but actually working together like a well-oiled machine? Well, the future is here, and UBTECH just dropped a game changer in the robotics industry. Imagine dozens of worker bots coordinating autonomously, handling complex tasks. This is no sci-fi fantasy. It's happening right now in China. But here's the big question. Is UBTECH leading the humanoid revolution, or will Tesla's Optimus and Figure's Helix-powered robots take the crown? Stick around because we're diving into the biggest humanoid robotics showdown yet. Hey everyone, welcome back to Robot Bids, your go-to source for the latest breakthroughs in robotics and AI. If you love futuristic tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about UBTECH's revolutionary swarm intelligence system, the first ever successful deployment of multiple humanoid robots working together in an EV factory. This is a huge step toward the future of automation, and the implications are mind-blowing. How does it compare to Tesla's Optimus? And what about Figure's Helix-powered robots? Is this the start of a new industrial revolution? Let's break it all down. UBTECH's breakthrough, swarm intelligence in action. UBTECH's robotics has just pulled off something that no other company has done before, deploying a whole team of humanoid robots to work together in an electric vehicle factory. These aren't just isolated bots doing separate tasks. They're operating as a unit, lifting heavy boxes, handling delicate materials, and coordinating tasks seamlessly. This historic deployment happened at Zeekr's high-tech factory in Ningbo, China. Thanks to UBTECH's new BrainNet framework, these robots can communicate, plan, and execute tasks autonomously, almost like an AI-powered hive mind. The result? A more efficient, precise, and intelligent manufacturing process. The tech behind UBTECH's Super Brain. At the heart of this innovation is UBTECH's BrainNet framework, a fusion of cloud and device-based AI. Think of it as a super brain that allows these robots to reason, make decisions, and adapt on the fly. The system uses a transformer-based model for complex decision-making, while its intelligent sub-brain enables multi-robot coordination. The real magic? Swarm intelligence. Instead of each robot acting independently, they share knowledge and learn together in real time. This could redefine smart factories as we know them. Who is UBTECH? A leader in humanoid robotics, UBTECH. Robotics isn't a newcomer to the robotics game. Founded in 2012 by Zhou Jian, they have been at the forefront of humanoid robot development. From setting a Guinness World Record with over 1,300 synchronized dancing robots in 2018 to deploying UV disinfecting robots during the COVID-19 pandemic, they have consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation. In December 2023, they had its initial public offering on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, securing HK$1 billion in funding. With a strong focus on AI-driven robotics, the company has developed a full-stack robotics ecosystem, including its own proprietary Robot Operating System Application Framework, ROSA. Its Walker S-Series robots are already being used in manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and even education. With over 2,450 robotics and AI-related patents, they are not just another robotics company. It's one of the few that has achieved mass production of full-scale humanoid robots. And now, with its swarm-based factory automation, it's taking humanoid robotics to the next level. Why swarm technology changes everything. Swarm intelligence isn't just about making robots work together. It's about revolutionizing how they think and solve problems. By operating as a collective, these robots can distribute tasks dynamically. If one robot encounters an issue, others can step in to compensate, ensuring smooth operations. Work faster and more efficiently. Instead of waiting for centralized commands, each robot can make decisions based on real-time data from the swarm. Adapt to new environments. By learning together, they can improve their skills collectively and apply knowledge across different tasks and industries. Reduce operational downtime. If a single unit fails, the swarm can adjust without bringing production to a halt. This approach mimics how nature works. Think of ants, bees, and even flocks of birds that move with precision without a single leader directing every action. In industrial settings, swarm robotics could mean faster, more resilient, and highly scalable automation solutions. Hey robotics fans! Curious about what's happening beyond what you see in these videos? Introducing Robot Pulse, the weekly newsletter that goes deeper than any video can. The best part? Subscribers get access to exclusive content you won't find anywhere else, including detailed technical breakdowns and analysis from leading minds in the field. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description below to subscribe now. How do they stack up against Tesla, Optimus, and Figure Helix? They aren't alone in the race for humanoid automation. Elon Musk's Tesla Optimus is aiming to roll out 10,000 robots in Tesla's factories by the end of this year. While Optimus has been working autonomously since mid-2024, it still operates on a much smaller scale than the swarm deployment. Then there's Figure, a rising competitor with its Helix-powered humanoid robots. Figure's new Helix model is making waves in logistics, pushing the limits of perception, language understanding, and control. With capabilities like implicit stereo vision and self-calibration, Figure robots are becoming more adaptable and dexterous, an essential feature for factory automation. So how does they compare? Right now, its biggest edge is scale. Deploying a coordinated team of humanoid robots in a real-world production line puts it ahead of the pack. But Tesla and Figure are catching up fast, and the humanoid robotics race is just getting started. Why this matters: the future of humanoid workers. This isn't just about making factories more efficient. This is about reshaping the entire labor force. With UBTECH planning to deploy between 500 and 1,000 of its Walker S-series robots this year alone, we're looking at a future where robots aren't just assistants, they're full-fledged workers. The implications are massive. We're talking about reduced labor costs, safer working conditions, and 24/7 productivity. But it also raises big questions. How will this impact human jobs? What are the ethical considerations of an AI-driven workforce? These are debates we'll need to have as humanoid robots become more advanced and widespread. So, what do you think? Will Swarm lead the charge in the humanoid revolution, or will Tesla Optimus and Figure's Helix outpace them? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of robotics, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Robot Bids, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. We've got a lot more coming your way on the latest in AI, robotics, and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.